We have also another way to do the decision making, which is the switch statement. The switch statement same as the if statement with differences, of course. First of all, let's see the syntax for the switch statement. I will use the switch keyword, then I will open the parentheses, and inside the parentheses I will write my expression, which can be value, string, integer, whatever, and we will see example for this. And then I will open and close the curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets I have to write my cases. The first case, if the expression is equal to this x, then the compiler will come and execute this code, and after this execution the compiler will find the break, and the break keyword here means that the switch statement has been ended, so the compiler will finish the execution of this switch statement when the compiler finds the break statement. The break statement is mandatory inside all cases in the switch statement. I can write cases as much as I want, and at the end I need to add the default case, which is equal to the else in the if statement. Let's go back here. The else will be automatically executed if this is not satisfied and this is not satisfied, and so on. This default statement or default case is equal to the else in if statement, and I have also to have the break inside the default in order to notify the compiler that okay, the switch statement finished. Now how it works, let's come and take an example. I use the keyword switch, and then I have this value 5, and inside the curly brackets I have my cases. The compiler will start check the case 4. If this equal to this, then the compiler will execute this. But now in our example 5, it is the same as 4? No. So the compiler will go and check the next case. Is 5 equals to 3 or similar to 3? No. So the compiler will go and check the next statement and the next statement and so on. If all cases are not satisfied, the compiler will come and execute the default. Here you can write your code, like rename, like creating variables, like saving data, like whatever you want you can write here. And then the compiler will find the break statement in order to finish the whole switch statement. Now let's go back to the Visual Studio and see how we can create decision making in C#.